Okay, let's think about your car's engine for a moment. It's like the heart of the car, pumping life into the vehicle and making everything work. At the center of this process, there are two players, pistons and cylinders. They are the dynamic duo that turns fuel into motion, powering your car every time you press the gas pedal. But what exactly are they and how do they make it all happen? Okay, now imagine a bicycle pump. When you push down, the air inside compresses, and when you let go, the air is released. Now scale that up in a size that complexity and you've got a basic idea of what's happening with pistons and cylinders inside your car's engine. The cylinder is like the body of the pump, a hollow tube, and the piston is the part that moves up and down inside it. Together they create the motion that drives everything forward. Okay, here's the magic. Inside the cylinder, the piston's movement set off a chain reaction. First, air and fuel are pulled into the cylinder, then the piston moves up, compressing the mixture, making it desired and ready for action. That's when the spark comes in. Literally, a spark plug ignites the compressed air fuel mixture, causing a tiny explosion. This explosion pushes the piston down with incredible force. That movement is transferred to the crankshaft, a rotating part that turns the up and down motion into the spinning motion needed to your car's wheels. This process is repeated over and over, creating the power your car uses to move. It all happens in four simple steps, known as the four-stroke cycle: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. But what's amazing is that this process isn't happening in just one cylinder. It's happening in all of them, usually 4, 6, or even 8, depending on your car. Each cylinder fires at a slightly different time, so the power delivery is smooth and continuous. To put this in perspective, think about it like a symphony. Each cylinder is like an instrument, playing its part in perfect timing with the others. If one cylinder stops working, it's like a violin going out of tune. It throws the whole performance off. But when everything works in harmony, you get a smooth, powerful ride. And here's a fun fact: the number of cylinders in your engine directly affects how your car performs. A small 4-cylinder engine is great for fuel efficiency and everyday driving, while a larger V6 or V8 engine gives you that thrilling surge of power when you hit the accelerator. So the next time you start your car, think about the incredible teamwork happening inside the engine. Pistons and cylinders are working tirelessly, enduring intense heat and pressure to convert fuel into the power that takes you where you need to go. They are like heroes, quietly doing their job so you can enjoy the ride. If this made you look at your car in a new way, share it with someone who loves learning how things work. And if there's another part of your car you'd like to learn about, let me know. Let's keep learning together.